Welcome everyone to our discussion on a standout spot in Irving, Texas, Arya Inn and Suites. They're just minutes from DFW Airport and they really bring together a mix of affordability and comfort.
Right. Yeah, exactly. And it's interesting because they cater to both the business crowd and families. It's a clever spot to be in.
Absolutely, their location is a major plus. Being so close to DFW makes it super convenient for travelers. And that means less hassle when you're flying in and out.
Yeah, indeed. And it sounds like the rooms are really on point too, clean and affordable, with staff that really cares about the service quality.
Right. And speaking of quality, let's dive into the amenities. They offer free Wi-Fi, flat screen TVs, microwaves, mini fridges, and even a complimentary continental breakfast. It's like it's like they're making sure you have all the basics without any extra cost.
Totally. That breakfast detail really caught my attention. Complimentary continental breakfast can be such a nice perk, although sometimes I wonder if it's enough for families with kids.
Well, that's a fair point. But consider this. In addition to the breakfast, they've got guest laundry and free parking. It sort of rounds out the experience so families and business travelers alike can
Right,
feel
I
at
see
home.
that. Absolutely. And speaking of families, I understand it's also a hit with those visiting attractions like Six Flags, right? It seems like a one-stop deal for a varied audience.
Exactly. Families love the proximity to attractions like Six Flags, and business travelers appreciate the quiet, uninterrupted rooms and fast internet for their work
Yeah,
needs.
I agree. Now, I do have a small critique though. Sometimes complimentary offerings like continental breakfasts can seem a bit basic when compared to full-service hotels. Would you say that's a fair challenge?
Sure, that's a valid point, but it's all about value, isn't it? The focus here is clean, affordable comfort paired with key amenities that cover the essentials. Plus, for many guests, that simplicity is actually a refreshing change.
True indeed. That makes sense. Sometimes less is more, especially when every dollar counts.
Absolutely. And if anyone wants to learn more, they can easily check out their website at aryainnsuiteservingtx.com or give them a call at +1 972 259 1234. It's all laid out for potential guests.
That direct approach really speaks to today's busy traveler. A quick lookup, clear info, and then a hassle-free decision to book a stay.
Exactly. And while there may be some areas that might not compare with luxury spots, the overall package is spot on for smart and budget-conscious stays in Irving.
Right on, absolutely. Yep. Arya Inn Suites definitely seems like it's hitting all the right notes for a comfortable and accessible stay near DFW. Thanks for the deep dive.